today we about to change the cabin filter, air filters on this. Those have two air filters. You're gonna see in the cabin filter that no one knows about. Some people do, some people don't know about it. So I'm about to show you. Let's get it. Yeah, some people, they don't even know like the cabin filter is like right behind their battery. You know what I'm saying? See, if you look back here, this is it right there. Some people they look at it and they just, you know, bypass it, but that's your cabin filter. You would have to take that out from the inside. You cannot change it from here. Let's start with the air filter first. Let's put this back. Okay, this has two air filters. One, two. Just take off these two clips over here and just check it. Easy. Inspect it. This is all right. Nothing crazy. But sometimes it be black, and that's not good for your engine, man. If it's black, a lot of dust in it, yeah, I would change this. To put it back, just, you know, like this. Put it down like this. Make sure this is faced this way. See that? It's faced like that. Put it down. Go in like that. You see how it goes in? Put the two clips. And that's it. That's how you change that. Same thing with this side. The two clips. Take it out. Inspect it. See if it's good or not. And that's it. Now, the cabin filter is a different story. The cabin filter is behind the glove box, so you have to take this off. You could take this off like manually. Like you could put this like to the side over here, and just pop it out. Just pull on it, just like that. You see? All right. Now there's a screw up here, screw there, screw there, screw over here, and another one right there. And there's some here too. One there, and there's another one right there. All right, let's take those off and get behind there. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna use a drill. This drill, take them off because I like speeding shit up. Let's take this off right here. You can start wherever you want. I'm gonna start at the bottom. Take that off. Don't lose those. The other one's here. Another one here. So when you take those out, those bolts out, pull on this. You should take this off at the bottom. Take this cover off. Like, drop this like that. Put that on later. Now drop this now. Let's take this off right here. It's in the way. See that? Let's put this off. Side panel. Just like that. Put that somewhere. Okay. Now let's pull on this shit. Be careful. Brakes, man. Let's pull this down. Like that. See that? Just like that. Take this off too. Just trim right here. Take it off. And pull on this. Like that. Now watch out for these. You don't have to take these off because the cabin filter is right here. You see that? That's where it is. And the computer's right here. If you didn't know. Okay. Now, let's take this out. Just pull over here in this corner. Like that. Take it out slowly. Just like that. There you go. There's your cabin filter. All you do is pull it out. Like that. There you go. There it is. See, this I would change because it's a little dirty. It's dirty. It's not a little dirty. It's dirty. You see that? It's no good. You don't want to be breathing this shit while you turn on your vents. When you turn on these vents, and if there's dirt in here, that shit's gonna come right in your face, right in your nose. But anyways, now to put it back, just, you know, put it in there like this. Oh shit. Put it like this. Put it in there. Like that. Okay, there you go. Should be good right there. That's what it is. Just put it in there like that. Okay, now put the cover back on. This cover back on. You slide this side first. On this side, just put it in those holes back there. In that hole. Push on this towards the left and just push back until you hear it click like that. Now let's put this on. Let's put the glove box on. Make sure you put in these holes that you see here. You line them up. You see that? See those? You line it up like that. Okay, so when you push them like that, make sure it's good, tight. Put this trim on there. Align it good. Push on it. You hear clip. Click. Put the side panel on there. Your side panel back on. Okay, there you go. Sure it's clicks. Now push on there. Good. To clips. Clicks. Right. Just like that, so it clicks on there. Make sure this is behind the panel over here. So you check this, make sure this thing's lined up good. Just like that, you see? That's lined up. Okay, it's good to go. Now let's put on these screws. Those 6 screws. So when you put all your bolts back on there, let's put your glove box back on. You gotta make sure this thing, you see this thing is right here? This thing go back over here. Over here. You see this? It needs to be on there. I'll show you. Let's put that. I don't know if you see it. That's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be on there. Like that. You gotta pull on it and just put it right there. Right between there. Now, let's put this whole glove box in. You gotta put these in first. You see these corners? That and that side in first before you do the bottom. And it makes it easier. So when you put those in first like that, both sides in like that. Now you can do the bottom. Now you see that? You gotta put this right here. This is a part of it over in this hole right here. So you gotta pull it like that, over like that. See? Same thing with the other side. Make sure it's over. Same thing. And just push on it until it clicks. You can hear click. Okay, so when you hear click, you should be good. Make sure your string in there is still on. Yeah, I feel it. Still on there. And yeah, close it. Just like that. Now let's put this bottom piece on there. I'll line it up with the holes right there. And just push up like that. Till it clicks. Till it clicks. Okay, and that is it. All done. Done deal. And that was it. See, that was easy. It didn't take that long to do. Some cars you can just drop the glove box and then you can just do it from there. This car is different. You gotta pull the whole glove box out and put that shit on. If you have any questions, already know, man. Comment below. My Instagram, Juice Mechanics. Bam! Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.